Ethereum currently sitting at just over $1,500, and experts are predicting that you're going to see Ethereum surge up to $5,000 this cycle. As we look at the chart, we're getting a clear picture here. But in the recent history, we're up 0.5% on the day. On the week, we're down 14%. On the month, we're down 18%. And the year, we're down a whopping 55%. Meaning, if you bought Ethereum 12 months ago today, you're down more than half of your investment. But here's the best part for those who are sitting on the sideline. And unfortunately, I happen to be one of those few where my bag of Ethereum was actually pathetic. It was less than Ethereum. And now this is the best time to load up on Ethereum. But before we can do this video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you stay tuned with the latest and greatest news with all things relating crypto. So why is Ethereum going to pump? Well, here's the thing. Rumors are speculating around that ETFs are starting to load up on Ethereum and said to be Ethereum to have its own ETF real soon. Now, we're seeing BlackRock acquire a whole lot of Ethereum, and a lot of people in space saying market calendars. So market calendars, Ethereum will be $5,000 by May 2025. Anyone disagrees with me, say this pros, and talk to me when the time comes. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and put a price or a time limit on this, because there's a lot of market sentiments that could change a lot of factors very quickly. But in the long haul, do I see $35,000? Absolutely. I mean, if you look at it, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. Our previous all-time high for Ethereum was just over $4,724. Meaning we need to push another $75 from all-time highs, which again is very possible. This cycle, we're barely able to break past $4,000. If we could push past this resistance, I imagine $5,000 could be the next trigger. And we're seeing a ton of action happening within Ethereum. Fed President Collins, the Federal Reserve's absolutely ready to help stabilize markets if needed, while they must be watching Ethereum dominance as we're seeing a ton of dumping going on Ethereum. Ethereum is really testing their patience over here. Those who are smart enough to survive, this is going to get rewarded with the most heated rally. We see a lot of people very excited. ETF, not only is ETH and BlackRock. So I've been seeing BlackRock acquire a whole ton of ETH as of late. And this just goes to show the confidence. 40 hours ago, BlackRock keeps injecting into Ethereum, or 4x growth, which is insane. Ethereum go to 15K. People are bullish. So much money being added back into Ethereum. So BlackRock capital deployment on Ethereum dwarfs every other chain nearly 8 times over to almost ETH, probably $1.7 billion. So a lot of money going into Ethereum. And if we do see ETH start going crazy, then we're talking about the price action for ETH pumping as well. Technical analysis looking great as well. We are seeing strong sell from averages. All says are neutral, gives a total summary of sell. A lot of news articles right now pertain to what's going on with Ethereum. We see Ethereum offloads $27 million after holding for 9 years. And then also on the other hand, we see some people selling, but then we also see like companies like BlackRock absolutely buying and take advantage of these prices. Now, market is in this interesting state right now where we're pumping and dumping as the days go. But as of today, we're up nearly 2%. Volume up nearly 15%, and Bitcoin back to $82,000. With this momentum ahead, we'll probably see the market start pumping really soon. And things are just getting started. Now, guys, before I close off the video, I do want to say, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Best Wallet. It's the best anonymous Bitcoin wallet. Best Wallet is the best crypto wallet without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on both Google Play as well as Apple App Store. Has a ton of features all from one app. And the best part is they're currently running an airdrop campaign where you can earn best tokens for simply participating in the airdrop campaign. Now, guys, if you want to download Best Wallet, I'm going to link in the description below. And like always, remember, now this is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one.